Today, we're diving into something so outrageous, so futuristic, that it feels like a sci-fi fantasy brought to life. What you're looking at isn't just a motorhome, it's an AI-generated vision of the ultimate rolling mansion, a 3-story luxury palace designed to move across the world's roads. It's wider, taller, and more opulent than anything humanity has ever built. This isn't an RV. This is a futuristic mega motorhome concept that blurs the line between a luxury villa, a superyacht, and a 5-star resort. Let's take the full tour. On the outside, the vehicle is staggering in scale, stretching nearly 25 meters long, over 7 meters tall, and more than 5 meters wide. It looks like a glass and chrome hotel set on wheels. Curved panoramic windows run across every level, glowing with warm golden light. Sculpted aerodynamic lines carve through the metallic silver body, giving it the presence of a futuristic cruise ship. Massive multi-axle wheels disappear beneath its smooth undercarriage, making the entire structure feel like it's floating down the highway. But step inside, and the magic really begins. The master bedroom suite is more luxurious than most homes. A king-sized bed floats above black marble flooring with golden veins, wrapped in glowing ambient lights. The ceiling curves overhead with layered LED rings, giving you the feeling of sleeping inside a futuristic skypod. Floor-to-ceiling glass lets you wake up to mountain peaks, oceans, or city skylines, all from the comfort of your private rolling villa. Next, the bathroom. This isn't just a washroom, it's a spa retreat. Gleaming marble covers the walls and floors, paired with golden fixtures that shine against soft LED backlighting. A deep soaking tub sits opposite a rainfall glass shower, while a glowing vanity mirror transforms daily routines into luxury rituals. Move into the lounge areas, and you'll see spaces designed for relaxation and entertainment on a scale that's never been done in a vehicle before. Massive curved sofas wrap around glowing centerpiece tables, while skylights and panoramic glass walls flood the rooms with natural light. Whether it's movie night, stargazing, or entertaining friends, these lounges feel like the grand halls of a futuristic hotel. Then comes the kitchen and dining space, a chef's dream. Sleek marble counters, glowing underlighting, and panoramic glass walls make cooking feel like fine art. State-of-the-art smart appliances and hidden storage blend seamlessly into the design, but this motorhome doesn't stop at the basics. It includes a private gym, fitted with futuristic equipment, digital walls, and glowing accents. Imagine working out while traveling across mountain ranges or coastal highways, luxury fitness on the move. And of course, from the outside, the 3-level structure is the true showstopper. It looks less like a motorhome and more like a futuristic floating villa, stacked with terraces, balconies, and open spaces. Wherever it goes, it doesn't just turn heads, it dominates the entire landscape. Altogether, this multi-level luxury motorhome concept isn't about transportation, it's about reimagining how humans might live and travel in the future. It's bold, it's breathtaking, and it challenges everything we thought we knew about what a motorhome could be. So, here's the question for you. Would you live in a 3-story futuristic mansion on wheels like this? Or does it feel like a dream reserved only for the world's billionaires? Let me know in the comments below. And if you loved this insane tour, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because next, we're taking you inside another unbelievable luxury vehicle concept you won't want to miss.